voila, my beautiful hummus is ready. That's the consistency. I blended it for about 2 minutes. You need to keep touching it to make sure it's not warm to touch, so all the ingredients stay nice and raw. I used to make hummus from sprouted chickpeas, and I didn't really like the flavor. So thank you for staying till the end of my video. That's my hack for today. I literally came up with it today. I always use raw tahini, but I thought why not to give it a little flavor with toasted sesame oil. So obviously tahini is made of sesames, but instead of using roasted sesames, I used raw sesame tahini with a little bit of flavor on top, and I thought it was a cool hack to come up with. I'm very excited. So yeah, let's try some hummus. I'm just going to have some lettuce both. I'm not quite ready for a savory garlicky dish yet, but I'll do it for you to see whether it came out well. So I'm literally just putting a few tomatoes in that. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh my god. It's so good. As you noticed, I didn't put any salt in it, but I put 4 dates instead. That's what I've been doing recently. Instead of using salt, which is toxic for you, and it clogs all your soft tissues, and it just deposits in your body for no reason, has literally no benefit from you. Instead of salt, I've been using sweet stuff. In this case, it's date. Sorry, I can't stop eating it. My kids like caramelized onion hummus, so I thought I'll make my version of caramelized onion. So what makes it taste like caramelized onion is dates, spring onion, and paprika. So these 3 ingredients together, although the onions, the green onions they put in, were raw, the combination of these 3 things with toasted sesame oil, with the smoked paprika and dates, give it a nice sort of caramelized flavor. It's so good. Guys, you have to try this out. I'm going to go in and have it with a bit of pepper. Oh my gosh, it's too good. I'm just going to put the lid on, and in the fridge it goes. That's how convenient these ninja blenders are. It's always much nicer after it sits in the fridge for a couple of hours, because flavors infuse, sort of mingle together. Things like lemon and lime and garlic and paprika and tahini and black cracked pepper all get a chance to fuse together, and then it sort of thickens up a little bit, and it lasts forever due to obviously acidic environment due to lemon and lime, and then also sort of antibiotic properties of garlic. It lasts for at least 2 weeks in the fridge. So guys, you must give it a go. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. I'm off to work out now. Bye guys.